Let's check what needs to be cleaned. The door needs to be wiped. Let's check inside. The corner needs to be done. Windows need to be wiped. The door and switch have stains. Look at the dirt. This one's good. This door needs to be dusted. Let's check upstairs. This one is good to go. Check the kitchen using UV light. The cabinets needs to be cleaned. Stove top needs to be wiped. Must clean every corner. This needs some wiping. The refrigerator has to be clean. The door have stains. Kitchen sink must be done. The blinds have dust. The dishwasher needs to be done. Should clean this one. The bathroom needs some cleaning. The toilet needs to be brushed. Let's check the third floor. This needs to be vacuumed. This one's good. The fan must be wiped. Good. The carpet needs to be done. These are all good. Must wipe this one. The shower needs to be cleaned in every corner. Good. Must wipe this one. Needs to be dusted. The blinds need to be cleaned. The lights must be cleaned. The bathtub needs to be done.